Hi guys, so we have been working on this real estate project. We're trying to rehab a house that was a rental because we are now ready to sell it and it's not in the best shape. So yeah, right now I'm trying to treat some rust stains on the tile in the back patio, and I'm gonna try some barkeeper's friend and see if that works. We actually hired a tile cleaning company to come out with their industrial machinery and clean up all the tile, and the rust did not come out. It could be rust from patio furniture, barbecue, who knows. So I'm gonna see. So there's the rust. See, we're still under construction zone here, but you can see the kitchen, dining, slider doors, and this is like a little back door area. Yard still needs to be cleaned up, fence needs to be pressure washed, but whatever. We'll get there. So it says that you basically this is like the powder version of Barkeeper's Friend. It doesn't specify tile, but at this point, this is like the only thing I have left to try. So this is to apply on a wet surface. So I've got this bottle. I filled it up with plain tap water. I'm going to spray the water on here, and then I'm going to apply the Barkeeper's Friend. I'm going to let it soak for maybe 5 minutes. Then I'm going to come back with this brush. It's actually got really stiff bristles. It's a Scotch-Brite. And yeah, see if it works. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest, and I'll come back. Okay, I covered up all the spots. There's still little teeny tiny areas I can work on after, but I got the majority, the worst spots. I tried to put on a thick coat, and I ended up using the majority of this bottle. This is only 12 ounces, so I should have definitely got 2. I'm going to let that sit for 5 minutes and come back and start scrubbing. Alright, moment of truth. This is the first spot that I started with, I think. So I'm going to start here. And nothing. I definitely think, I see it lifting, but I think I need more water to like activate this. So I'm going to sprinkle water on all this and try again. Alright, I added more water and I started scrubbing and it's coming off. You see that? I mean, the first ones on this brush are pretty tough, and I'm having to scrub hard, but it's coming out. Huh. I mean, you can't tell. I gotta clean it with water. I'm probably gonna do this whole area and then just use the water hose I got over here. So, I'll show you guys in a minute what it looks like. Oh my god. That was incredibly hard manual labor. It took me about 15 minutes, and you guys that watch me know I'm in Florida. Thankfully, it's an overcast day, so it's not sunny. Otherwise, my skin would be on fire. But it is so humid. I am so sweaty. I'm not even gonna show you guys. That's just, no. Anyways, okay, I'm gonna hose this off now, and it should come out pretty good. Ta-da! Holy cow, that stuff is awesome. You can't even tell that there was all that rust back here. There are a few spots I need to go over. This is where I had like most of the area I needed to treat. That's just cracked. I mean, I can't do anything about that. See, like I missed a spot here. That's rust. So I'll have to go back and do that part. And then, oh, I see another one right here, very light. I have to get that. And there's spots here that I didn't treat. and they're nowhere near as bad as what came out. So yeah, I've got a tiny little bit in that 12-ounce jar. I'm gonna use what I have. I might have to get another one. See, these are little spots that I didn't treat. But holy cow, that is amazing. So there you go. Barkeeper's friend totally works for this. It just takes the right amount of mixture. What I notice is when you have the right amount of water, it turns into a very thick paste. If you put too much water, it waters it down and it's not as effective. So it's just trial and error. And I just use that spray bottle until I got the right mixture. And since I'm outside, I just hosed it off when I was done. But had I been inside somewhere, obviously I would have been wiping it up, maybe with a washcloth as I went along. But yeah, pretty darn awesome. Thanks for watching, guys.